Hello everyone! This is again your teacher, Lian. And for today's video guys, I am going to share to you kung paano ba ginagamit ang ating phrasal verbs na pop up, pop out, and pop in. Now, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and paki-share na rin. So, are you ready? Let's go! Remember guys that the word pop is a verb and it means suddenly. And phrasal verbs are verbs combined with prepositions. Okay, so let's take up pop up first. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng pop up at kailan ba ito ginagamit? Pop up means to appear quickly. And we often use this in technology. Example is, oh, her photo popped up on my screen. Or the notification pop up on my screen. So, ibig sabihin, biglang lumabas yung notification sa screen ng gadget mo or ng cellphone. Okay? So, another use of pop up is just with the word up means going upstairs. So, pop up is going upstairs. So, example, if you live on the second floor and your friend lives on the 12th floor, which is higher than your apartment, then you can say, I'm gonna pop up at my friend's apartment to visit her. Ibig sabihin, aakyat ka saglit para bisitahin yung iyong kaibigan. Okay? So, that is pop up. Now, let's take up pop out this time. Pop up is to go out for a short time. Ilalabas, panandali ang paglabas o lalabas saglit. Okay, example is, I just gonna pop out for a fresh air. So, lalabas ka lang saglit para lalanghap ng sariwang hangin. That is pop out. Or, I just gonna pop out for a break. So, if you feel exhausted already, then you can just pop out for a break. Okay, lalabas ka saglit para mag-break lang. Alright, so that is pop out also. And the last one is pop in. Pop in. In means to enter to a place for a short period of time or to visit suddenly. Okay, for example, for a second, I'll just need to pop in that store to buy a pen. So, ibig sabihin, sasaglit ka lang sa store na yan to buy a pen. Kaya hindi ka magtatagal. Or, we can also use this to visit for a while. You can say, oh, grandma is at home today. I'll pop in to see her. Meaning, you will make a quick visit just to see grandma. Okay, hindi ka magtatagal. Alright, guys. So, sana po, naintindihan ninyo yung paggamit ng pop up, pop out, and pop in. So, that's all for today's video, guys. And kung feel nyo na nakatulong sa inyo ang video na ito, please don't forget again to subscribe, like, and paki-share na rin. Okay, so this is again your teacher, Lynn, saying thank you so much and stay safe. God bless.